Hey, get off our train. Hey, get off our train. You aren't still playing with that train, are you? Get into bed immediately. You know you have to be up early for school tomorrow. Here is your pajama case, dog. I found it under a cushion in the sitting room. Now settle down and go to sleep. We're ready to go now. Don't make too much noise with the shovel. If there's time, we can have a picnic. It looks as if it is going to be foggy ahead. If it is, we can play ghosts. Hey, get off our train. Please let me come with you on your train. Someone is coming to cut off my tusk. And soon there will be none of us left. It's going to be a very hot day. If it is, we must find somewhere to go for a swim. Hey, get off our train. Please let me come with you on your train. If I stay in the city, I won't have enough to eat because people are making the water very dirty and they are catching too many fish. And soon there will be none of us left. I think there is going to be a strong wind. If there is, we can all fly kite. Hey, get off our train. Please let me come with you on your train. I live in the marshes and they are draining the water out of them. I can live on dry land. And soon I can't live on dry land. And soon there will be none of us left. It looks as if it is going to rain soon. If it does, we can all muck about with umbrellas. Hey, get off our train. Please let me come with you on your train. They are cutting down the forests where I live. And soon there will be none of us left. I think there's enough snow now. If there is, we can all throw snowballs. Hey, get off our train. Please let me ride on your train. I live in the frozen north and somebody wants my fur to make a coat out of. And soon there will be none of us left. If it does not stop snowing soon, we are going to get stuck. We must go back now. I have to go to school in the morning. You must get up immediately, or you will be late for school. There are lots of animals in the house. There's an elephant in the hall, a seal in the bathtub, a crane in the laundry, a tiger on the stairs, and a polar bear by the fridge. Does this have anything to do with you? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.